All right, people of the internet, I am back again, but I'm just super excited about something. I just tried it and I'm going to do it again. This is probably the greatest time-saving kitchen trick I know. Excuse me, I've been sweating in the kitchen working, but I found magic. Garlic. I don't know how many hours I've spent in my life peeling garlic, chopping garlic, dressing it, do whatever garlic. What you do, you take garlic and table, just going to put it down here, there. I'm just going to give it a good, if I'm going to break my table. Hang on. Alright, sorry, that one was tough. I had to put all my weight onto it to get it to, you want it to crunch a little bit. You want it to fracture just a touch. Anyway, and then take a standard pot or 2 bowls or 2 pans or something and just toss that inside, like so. Now, there's no trickery of video happening here. I am just going to look ridiculous for a second because you just give them a shake. It's a very good workout too. Let's see. There you have it. Now, this one didn't work anywhere near as well as the last one I did. If I just shake it some more, it will all come off. But that's how you peel garlic and get a good workout at the same time. There you go. And there's another one. Another. This big one didn't come undone, but all you gotta do is just lightly peel the outside off, like so. One more. Like I said, it's not foolproof, and it comes down to being able to crush the garlic, and I just couldn't do it with that one. But anyway, it's done. Last one. So no more hitting with the back of the knife, no more peeling them one by one. There you have it. Except for that guy. Anyway, that's how you do garlic. Cheers.